Hi YouTubers, we just finished this little bike here. I want to show you that. It's a little Honda Monkey Z50 and we put it on a clay base. But today we found a box put away and we got a bunch of models in here. So we're going to open this up and see what's in there. I hope you guys are doing good. This is GD Cap 26. So let's open this up. It's been put away for quite a while. Let's see what's in here. Excited to see what's in here. Wow, a lot of stuff. One piece of paper, of course. Let's see if we can take this out. Oh, you got the Wolfman. He's painted up pretty good. Let's put him to the side. And take this guy out. The Mummy, he's missing some parts. He's painted pretty good. He needs some repair. Put him over there. Hopefully we can find all the parts to these things. Let's see. Take these out real gentle. Don't want to break anything. Oh, creature from the Black Lagoon. Look at that. Oh, is that flaps in the way? I'm sorry. So we got the Mummy with no head, creature from the Black Lagoon. Let's put him over here. Got to repair these. And some parts to the Mummy. Let's see. Got a lizard here. Oh, he's painted pretty good. Clean these up. We got a snake. That goes to, I don't know, I think creature from the Black Lagoon. And we got the base to the Wolfman. Got to glue back together. Put that down here. And look at that. We got a nicely painted hunchback, which is actually done correctly, like the other one. See, the other one wasn't done correctly. Put him over here. And Phantom of the Opera. He's done pretty good. Look at that. I was thinking my painting skills was not as good way back then than they are now. I guess they were pretty the same. You know. So I got our parts in here I'm going to take out, and I'll show you these one at a time. So I'm going to clean these spots out right here for his feet with the hobby knife, and see if we can get him glued back on. Put my glasses on, I can't see. And the glue is all clogged up. So let's try this again. Back then I didn't use this type of glue, so it should hold on a lot better. Always make sure, put it down. Hold it down pretty good. Like that. Make sure it's in the slots. And the creature's up next. And some glue over here. Got to see a drip of glue in there. If I don't see it, I don't know that if it's in there. So get the tree in there, and then this little bone here goes. We'll put it somewhere. snake while the tree is drying. We got something else back here. Where's the lizard? The lizard's got to go back on. So I'm going to put the lizard right in there. Hopefully we can get him glued on. Got to remind me to talk louder, guys. Just comment below. Talk louder, JD. I can't hear you. Put him on there like that. Let's see. I do believe I did this with acrylic and an airbrush, an Aztec airbrush, and that's how I painted these. It looks like his foot needs a little glue down here. Get it in there. There we go. And the snake's got to go on here. Looks like he lost his tongue. So we'll just put a little glue on the center and try to drape him over the branch. Yeah, like he's biting his leg. Yeah, it'll work. So he's got to dry up over there. This might be a little bit longer video than usual, so please be patient. Patience is a virtue, if you don't know that. Not saying that you don't have patience, but sometimes you don't in this world. Working on getting the mummy put back together. He's painted very well. Very impressed with the mummy. I don't I have this kit or boxed up in a box, brand new, that I can make over again. And I don't think I will, since I have this. Yeah, that's gotta hold on there. That's good. And see if we can get his head on. Oops. Removed his hand. Sometimes trying to do everything at once, you can't do it. It's an old trick, blowing on the part. Warm air. Let's see if I can get some glue in here. Get his head on. Oh, and there goes his head. Goes on like that. So let's set him over there to dry. Let's get this little block on with hieroglyphics. Looks like I'm running out of glue again. Well, when I open these bottles, and I wrote Gorilla Glue about it, they're half full. They're not fully full. When they fill them, it's like, how come? Do you think they bother to answer back? No. Nope. That's how they just say, well, that's how we film at the factory, and that's it. But I think it's kind of a rip-off, really. They have them half full, like that. I'll just put a drip in there if we can. Yeah, it looks like this bottle is shot. Well, I got another one over here. Open up. Yeah, that's gone. Another bottle over here to open up. I buy the kind with the blue cap. That's what I use. I don't use the gel because the gel gets kind of messy. And that's already open. So let's put a drop in. Let's put a drop right here. There we go. And we'll take a short break here. Okay, so the Phantom's all done. I had to put some epoxy on his shoe, the back, to keep him to just stand up. His cape went on very well. And here's the rest of them. They're all fixed up. Instant collection. So I want to show you that today. I hope you enjoyed this short video and have a great day. Thanks for watching. Please rate, subscribe, and ring the little bell.